వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు సాయి బండారు సిస్టర్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఇంకా మా ఛానల్ ఎవరైనా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, అలాగే షేర్ కూడా చేయండి. సో టుడే ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ సమ్ టిప్స్ రిలేటెడ్ టు మ్యాథ్స్. ఓకే, సో these tips will be used for you when you are going to write competitive exams. Whatever the exams you take, these type of bits will be coming for you. Okay, so I think these tips will be useful for you. Okay, yeah, shall we learn now? Yeah, today I'm going to tell tip 1. How to perform multiplication. How to perform multiplication. So this tip, by using this tip, if you perform multiplication, it won't take more than 1 minute, I think so. If you practice well, very less seconds it takes. Okay, so shall we learn? Yeah, see, one example I am taking. So I am multiplying 18 into 31. How much? So for this, what we have to do is, how many digits we are having? 2 digits. Here also 2 digits. So you take 2 rows and 2 columns first. Okay, 2 rows and 2 columns you take. Here 1 you keep and here 8 you keep. Okay, 18 no, so 1 here, 8 here, and 31 is there no, 3 is here and 1 is here. Okay, yeah. Now in each box you draw cross lines. In each box you draw cross lines. Okay, yeah, see. Now what you have to do is, see, you have to multiple these two first. Okay, with this number, these two you have to multiple. Okay, 1 into 3 how much? 1 3 is a 3. Since it is a single digit, you keep here 0 and you keep here 3. Okay, so next 1 into 1 how much? 1 no, so single digit no, 0 you keep here and 1 you keep here. Okay, next come to this number 8 into 3. Okay, 8 3s are how much? 24. Now no need to keep 0. Why? Because this is not single digit. Okay, yeah, next 8 ones are 8. Again you have to keep 0. Why? Because it is a single number. Okay, yeah, after doing like this, you see how many cross lines are there. According to that, you have to add the numbers. Okay, according to that, you have to add the numbers. See here, one cross line you are having now. So this one you have to add. Again second cross line. And this is third cross line. And this is fourth cross line. Okay. So according to this you have to add the numbers. See here. 8. Only single number is there. You keep here 8. And next one, when come to this arrow, you see 4 plus 0 how much? 4. Plus 1, 5. You keep here 5. Okay, next 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 0, 5. You keep here 5. Next you come to this box. Here only one digit we are having. That digit is 0. So you simply keep here 0. So and the answer is, so 18 into 31 equals to 558. 558. This is the answer. If you want, once check in the calci. Okay, so we will see another example. Okay, we will see one more example. 58 into 38. Okay, so here two digits we are having now. So 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so here 5 you keep, here 8. Next here 3, here 8. Okay, so after that what I told you to do, you draw cross lines. In every box you draw cross lines. Okay, after these cross lines what you have to do is, with this number you have to multiple these two. After finishing, you have to take this number and you multiple again with these numbers. Okay, so 5 3s are 15. Okay, so since it is 2 digits, no need to add 0. When you get single digit only, you have to add 0. Okay, next 8s are 40. Next 8 3s are 24. Next 8 8s are 64. Okay, after this what we have to do? Like this you draw the arrow. That means according to the arrow you have to add the numbers. Okay. See here, only single number you are having, so 4. And when comes to this arrow you are having 3 numbers. Okay, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. Okay, when comes to here also you are having 3 numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. Okay, and next here only single number, that is 1 you are having. Okay, so like this we have calculated. Now you see that only here single digits must be. Okay, only here what digits must be? Single digits must be. So here single digit, but when comes to here we are not having single digit here. So what we have to do is, this one is there, no? This one you have to transfer to here. Okay, this one you have to add to here. At that time what you will get? 12 you will get. And again here you are getting 2 digits. So what you have to do is, again you transfer this one to here. Okay, so at that time what you will get here? Plus 1 means 2 you will get. And here remaining what? 2 only. Okay, now here remaining what? 2. Here remaining 1, 0. Here 4. Okay, now answer is 2. Here 2. Here 0. Here 4. So this is the answer. So one more example we will see. If you practice, it will be easy. So just now you are learning, no? It takes some time. So you practice, you will complete in a fraction of seconds. Okay, so practice makes man perfect, isn't it? So that's why practice. Okay, yeah, now we will see one more example. into 68. Okay, again here we are having 2 digits. That means how many lines we have to draw? 2 rows and 2 columns we have to draw. 2 rows and 2 columns. And after that, here you have to place 5 and here 8. Next here 6 you have to place and here 8 you have to place. After that, draw the cross lines. In each box, draw the cross lines. And next what you have to do is, you have to multiple. Okay? So, 5 6 are 30. 5 8 are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 8 are 64. Okay? After that what we have to do? We have to add according to the arrow mark we place. Okay na? So, ఈ యారో మార్క్ మీకు అర్థం కావడం కోసమే డ్రా చేస్తున్నా. మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతే అసలు ఈ యారో మార్క్ అవసరం లేదు. యూ కెన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ డ్రా ఇట్. ఓకే, సో సీ హియర్ ఓన్లీ వన్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ దేర్, నో? సో 4. హియర్ 8 plus 6 how much? 14. And next here 4 plus 0 4. 4 plus 4 8. And here only 3 we are having. So as I told you, ఇక్కడ అన్నీ కూడా సింగిల్ డిజిట్స్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే ఉండాలి. డబల్ డిజిట్స్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి? వీ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ద నెంబర్ విచ్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న నెంబర్ని మనం ఏం చేయాలి? వీ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ టు ద నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ ఐ am transferring this one. Okay, so at that time what here we will get? 9 you will get. So the answer is, what is the answer? 3944 is the answer. Okay, 3944 is the answer. So I think you understand this topic. So ఎక్కువ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ని తీసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, అప్పుడు it will store in your mind, okay na, so that it will be easy for you. So in competitive exams they won't allow us to take calci, so at that time these techniques are very useful for us, okay. So if you want to know such a tips, don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay. So tomorrow I'll come in front of you with an interesting tip, okay. So today we do 2 digits now, tomorrow we'll take 3 digits numbers and we'll practice it, okay. Yeah, thank you, have a nice day.